GeopByte.
Now let us see second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Means it is given that in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. So, Jack's scores were like this: 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. They asked us to find out his total at the end. Let us see. Finding total means we need to add all his scores. That is, we have 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Yes, we have added all the scores. That is 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now let us go step by step. First, we will add the positive numbers. That is 25, 15, 10. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Let us write 50. What are remaining? The negative numbers. That is 50 plus minus 5 plus minus 10. Now, let this 50 be as it is. Plus into minus. Minus 5. Plus into minus. Minus 10. Now, let us add these two numbers. Let us write the 50 as it is. Minus into minus. Plus 10 plus 5. 15. But the symbol remains minus. 5 plus 10. 15. 50 minus 15. Yes, 35. Right. What was his total at the end? Jack's score was 35 at the end. Now, let us see the third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Now, let us write the given data. We have at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Srinagar's temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. And then it dropped. Dropped means it decreased. So, it is written as Srinagar's temperature on Tuesday dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. As they have given dropped. So now what they asked, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? That means temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is found out by Srinagar's temperature on Monday plus Srinagar's temperature on Tuesday. Minus 5 plus minus 2. We have minus 5 as it is. Now plus into minus. Minus 2. Minus minus. We need to add 5 plus 2. 7. That is minus 7. So, the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now, again what they have given on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Now, let us write. Srinagar's temperature on Wednesday is, they have given rose. Rose means rise up. So, by 4 degrees Celsius, that is plus 4. It increased. So, it is plus only. Now, what they have asked, what was the temperature on this day? Let us find out. Let us find by taking the total temperature on Tuesday, that is minus 7. It rose by 4 on Wednesday. So, let us take plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. Minus into plus. Minus 7 minus 4. 3. What is the sign we have for larger number? Minus. Let us write minus 3 degrees Celsius. We got minus 7 degrees Celsius, the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. And we got minus 3 degrees Celsius, the temperature on Wednesday. Now, let us see the fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. If you observe here, the plane is flying above the sea level. That is at a height of 5000 meters. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. If you see here, the submarine is floating below the sea level. That is 1200 meters distance is there between the sea level and the submarine. Now, what they have asked, what is the vertical distance between them? First, let us write the given data. Plane flying above the sea level, that is at a height of 5000 meters. Now, they have given at a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine. At a particular point, plane is exactly above the submarine, floating 1200 meters below the sea level. That is, it is below the sea level. We consider the below one as negative. As I said, in number line also, we consider the left side, that is this part as negative and the right side, that is this side, as positive. Similarly, if you observe here, we have a 0, that is the center. From here, below 1 we will consider as negative and the above we will consider as positive. That's why 5000 is written positive and the 1200 will be written negative. Is minus 1200 meters as it is floating below the sea level. Now we need to find what is the vertical distance between them. Means we need to find the vertical distance. So we have the positive side here and the negative side here. We need to go like this. That is, to find the vertical distance from here to here, we need to subtract. That is, vertical distance between them is 5000 minus 1200. We will subtract and we already have minus here. We have put it in a bracket. Now 5000 minus into minus plus 1200. 5000 plus 1200 is 6200 meters. So the vertical distance between them is 6200 meters. Now let us see fifth question. Mohan deposited 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. That means they have given that Mohan deposited 2000 rupees in his bank account. That is, he has put 2000 rupees in his bank account and he withdraws 1642 rupees. That is, he takes money out from these 2000 rupees. That is 1642 rupees for some purposes. And if he take out this amount, how much will be left in his bank account is the question to find. And they have also given if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. That means he is asking to consider this as negative integer. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? Let us see now. First, let us write the given data. Mohan deposited in the bank account is rupees 2000 and he withdraws rupees 1642. Mohan withdraws from the bank account. That is, they have given one more condition also. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, Means we have to consider the withdrawal amount, that is 1642, as negative integer. Right. And he asked, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Obviously, we will represent the amount deposited as positive, as the amount withdrawal is negative. Now, we need to find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is nothing but amount deposited or amount put in plus amount withdrawal, that is amount taken out. Amount withdrawn. Yes, what is the amount deposited? Plus 2000, that is 2000 plus, this is the amount deposited, plus amount withdrawn, that is minus 1642 rupees. Minus 1642. Now 2000 plus into minus, minus 1642. 2000 minus 1642 is 358. That is rupees 358. Yes, the balance left in Mohan's account after the withdrawal of 1642 rupees from the 2000 rupees is rupees 358. Now, let us see sixth question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. That is, Rita is here. She moves towards east. That is 20 kilometers distance from point A to point B. And from B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. Again, from B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, that is, they are saying that if we represent the direction towards east as positive, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards east? Obviously, we will represent distance travelling towards west as negative, because in number line, we will represent the right hand side as positive and the left hand side as negative. Similarly, as they have already given that travelling towards east is positive, then it will become travelling towards west as negative. Now, by which integer will you represent her final position? That let us see now. Let us write the given data. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east. Rita goes towards east at a distance kilometers. And from B, from here, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. She moves this side. So, that is 30 kilometers. Let us write. Rita moves towards west at a distance 30 kilometers. If you see, we have written the direction as negative towards west, that is minus 30. And she started from B, that is we will write from B. From B, Rita moves towards west at a distance minus 30 kilometers. Now, what we should find out? By which integer will you represent her final position? That is, we need to add these both distances to find out her final position. That is 20 plus minus 30. 20 plus into minus, minus 30. If a plus, it is plus here. If a plus and minus are there, we need to subtract. That is 20 minus 30 is minus 10, as we have minus sign to the larger number. That is minus 10 kilometers. Now we got the integer as negative integer. See, they have asked by which integer will you represent her final position? By negative integer. By negative integer, we will represent her final position from the point A towards the west, that is minus 10 kilometers. Now, let us see 7th question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Now, let us check either this or this is a magic square. How we will check? We will go on add the numbers which are in rows, columns and the diagonals and check whether this is a magic square or not. Let us see the first row. In first row, we have 5. Now, let us add 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Yes, 5 plus into minus minus 1 plus into minus minus 4. 5 minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 5, but the sign remains minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. We got the sum of first row numbers as 0. Now let us see the sum of second row numbers. In second row we have minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. Minus 5 plus into minus, minus 2 plus 7. Now minus into minus, plus 5 plus 2, 7, but minus 7 as we have to minus and here plus 7. Once again minus into minus, plus 5 plus 2, 7, minus minus, minus, plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7, 0. Now let us see third row. In this third row, we have 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. Now 0 is negligible. We have 3 plus minus 3. 3 plus into minus, minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So, this row also became 0. If you observe, first row, second row, third row, 3 rows became 0. Now, let us check with columns. Let us take the first column. In first column, we have 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. 5 plus into minus, minus 5. 0 is negligible. 5 minus 5, 0. Now, let us go with second column. Second column, we have minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 plus into minus, minus 2 plus 3. Minus into minus, plus 2 plus 1, 3. Symbol remains minus. This plus, this 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Now, third column. In third column, we have minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3. Minus 4 plus 7 plus into minus, minus 3. Now, minus 4, minus 3. Let us add the negative numbers first. Minus 4, minus 3. 4 plus 3, 7, that is minus 7. The remaining one, plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7, 0. Now, let us check with diagonals. Diagonal 1, that is, let us take this as the diagonal 1. We have 5 plus minus, like this we are taking 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. 5 plus into minus, minus 2 plus into minus, minus 3. 5 minus into minus, plus, the sign is minus. 2 plus 3, 5. Answer is 0. Now, let us check with the second diagonal. Diagonal 2. Minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. Minus 4 plus into minus, minus 2. 0 is negligible. Minus 4, minus 2. Minus into minus, plus 4 plus 2 is 6. But minus 6. See, we got first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, and the first diagonal as zeros. But we didn't get the second diagonal as 0. We got minus 6. So, this is not a magic square. Now, let us see this square. First, let us do for the first row. 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. 1 plus into minus. Minus 10. 0 is negligible. That is 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Now let us see the second row. We have minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Minus 4 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 2. Now first let us add these two numbers. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 3 7. The symbol remains minus. Minus 7. The leftover number is minus 2. Again minus into minus plus. That is 7 plus 2 9. Symbol remains minus. Now let us go with third row. In third row we have minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7. Now minus 6 plus 4 plus into minus minus 7. Let us add the negative numbers first. Minus into minus plus 6 plus 7 13. That is minus 13. The leftover number is plus 4. Minus 13 plus 4. That is minus 9. Now let us see the first column. Now we have 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. 1 plus into minus minus 4 plus into minus minus 6. 1 minus into minus plus 4 plus 6 10. Symbol remains minus 10. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Now let us see the second column. In second column we have minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4. Minus 10 plus into minus minus 3 plus 4. Let us add the negative numbers. Minus into minus plus 10 plus 3 13. That is minus 13 plus 4. Minus 13 plus 4 is minus 9. Now let us see the third column. We have 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. 0 is negligible. Plus into minus. Minus 2 plus into minus. Minus this 7. We have minus 2 minus 7. Minus into minus. Plus 2 plus 7 9. Symbol remains minus 9. Now let us see the diagonals. The first diagonal. One plus minus 3 plus minus 7. 1 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 7. 1. Let us add the negative numbers first. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 7. 10. Symbol remains negative. Minus 10. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Let us see the second diagonal. This is the second diagonal. We have 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. 0 is negligible. Plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 6. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 6, 9. That is minus 9. We got first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, first diagonal, second diagonal as minus 9. So, this is a magic square.
GeopByte.